Welcome, dear friend. In this video we are going to be discussing about what is Solana program. Especially, this is another series as we continue in our journey to help you. I'm going to be helping you to transition from Solidity developer on Ethereum to Solidity developer on Solana. And we have started the series. This is a continuation where you need to understand what is Solana program and clear the confusion between Ethereum smart contract, Solana program, and some other things like that. So if that interests you, make sure you watch the video till the end. And in case you are new here, I am Solomon Foske, founder of dProgrammingUniversity, where the platform we create and help with Web3, free Web3 courses, deep dive, technical content, and more. So if things like that interest you, which also help you to get opportunity in Web3, then you should make sure you check the platform, subscribe, tap the notification bell not to miss our upcoming Ep3 developer focused, Web3 developer focused content. And at the same time, before we get back to the main course, I have a disclaimer and disclosure for you. And for a disclosure, you need to know that for us to continue to create something like this, with a content like this, we may get bounty, grant, token, reward, or invest in any of these projects, or you should know that we try our best yet to make sure whatever we give you is helpful and not biased as much as possible. And as a disclaimer, please, this content and the programming are always for educational purpose only, not investment, not financial advice or advice to invest in any particular Web3 project, but just for educational purpose only and not in development advice. So please do your own research, and taking any part of this content means you agree to be liable and not take us or make us liable for any losses that you may incur. You are solely responsible for that. So if you are still okay with that, then continue watching. Now let's move to the main discussion of this series on Solang Solidity for Solana development. So where we are looking at what is Solana program, looking at your journey from Ethereum to Solana. There are some things you are used to. We have tried some of them about account model, was Solang, to help you transform your Solidity from Ethereum to Solana. So we are now looking at what is actual Solidity program. In a nutshell, before we do that, as usual, we already have a ultimate guide to Ep3, which you can just search Solidity for Solana development, DPU, and once you land on the programming ultimate guide to Solidity for Solana development, you have it here. It's full detail from just Solidity on Ethereum, step by step, choose, setup, and I will also do the series in this video for you step by step. So I think this is like series 3 or 4 of it. So that's why you should not miss subscribing and join our Discord, and in case you have questions to ask as well. So now, if you are coming from Ethereum, which I believe most with Solidity, you are used to what we call smart contracts on Ethereum. On Solana, they are not called smart contracts. Instead, they are referred to as Solana program or Solana on-chain programs. So in case any confusion that may be, Solana program, no, you are still referring to the same, just like this same program that you write maybe in Rust, which you can now write in Solidity, I think in Python, in C, and things like that. Get it compiled, it will be PF or SBF bytecode, and then it can run natively through Solana validators, which powers the Solana blockchain cluster as a whole. So whatever you can run here is what is called that Solana program that have executable code. We have explained the difference between different account model in the previous video, so you can go and watch it. So if you have been confused, I believe I've been able to make that clarity for you, that anywhere you see me moving forward or anywhere you read online and see Solana program, is still same like you are saying Ethereum smart contract. So it's safe to say Solana smart contract, just like you can say Ethereum programs. So let's look through what we've got in this content ultimate guide. So you see, it said we have used it interchangeably. So what are Solana programs? Simply put, Solana program is the same as saying Ethereum smart contract. So the Solidity smart contract on Ethereum is referred to as Solidity program on Solana. So now that you are moving your Solidity smart contract to Solana, so it will be referred to as Solidity a Solana program, but it's still the same thing. Now let's try to see comparing Ethereum smart contract versus Solana program smart contract architecture. So like I said, that I won't be really going depth into it, but the essential thing I will remind you of as a Solidity developer on Ethereum that is transitioning to Solana with Solidity is that you should always ensure you keep in mind the incompatibility that existed between the two. Don't joke with that, because it may cause you to sacrifice security of your smart contract, Solidity smart contract, which you don't want to do. So that is why you should always keep those differences in mind. It's there inside the ultimate guide. Go check it out, and maybe I may still dedicate a video to compare the two to them. So let me know in the comments if you like to, and straight also to the Discord. Like, subscribe, tap the notification bell if you have found this helpful for you, and any other question you have as well with the guide or whatever, go straight and I will take you through. We set up account, do a lot of things, and start building the smart contract with Solidity, with even walkthrough examples are coming up. So it is not a series you should miss. That's why you should become the part of this dProgramming University platform. So that, I think that's it for this video. If you have any question, please head straight to the Discord to ask, and you can as well ask in the comment. But if you want a more in-depth interaction, I even have a dedicated channel in the server for Solana, especially for a guide like this relating to Solana, which you can ask questions and get support on. So that's it for what is Solana program, and you have seen how it runs. Is like an account. I've explained that in the previous video on Solana itself that execute those code, and that Solang now allow you to develop with Solidity on it, just like this diagram I've put together myself to simplify this for you as we go in this series. That's it. I remain Solomon Foske. Please always do good to humanity and nature with your programming and coding skill, and not evil, to make a world a better place for us all to live. So I will see you in the next. Till then, keep Solidity to Solana. Thank you. See you in the next video. Peace and bye.